Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back with my another video. And guess what? My half yearly exams are finally over. To be very honest, my exams didn't go as great as I wanted, but they were not too bad either. Somewhere in the middle, but no worries, we will study hard and smash in the next one. I am Kriti, and in this video, I'll be sharing the marks I have received in my half yearly exams, and I'll talk about the papers that have been distributed so far, and most of the others haven't been given out yet, but don't worry, once I get those, I'll update you on them too. So let's start with हिंदी. तो हिंदी में मेरे 71 आउट ऑफ 80 आए हैं. गद्यांश में मुझे पूरा नंबर मिला. जो काव्यांश था वो पेपर के सबसे लास्ट में मैंने किया था और इसलिए हड़बड़ी में गड़बड़ी हो गया और मुझे इस पे 4 नंबर कट गया और 5 में 1 आए मेरे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 3 में मुझे 3 आउट ऑफ 4 मिला. फिर क्वेश्चन नंबर 4 में मुझे फुल मार्क्स मिले. अगेन 5 में भी फुल मार्क्स मिले. क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 में मेरे 2 अलंकार गलत हो गए. क्वेश्चन नंबर 7 में मुझे फुल मार्क्स मिले थे. देन कम्स तो 8 क्वेश्चन नंबर में मुझे फुल मार्क्स मिला है. 9 में भी फुल मार्क्स मिला है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 में भी फुल मार्क्स मिला है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 11 में 5 और हाफ मार्क्स आया है. 12 में भी 5 एंड हाफ है. क्वेश्चन नंबर 13 में 7 मार्क्स मिले हैं मुझे. क्वेश्चन नंबर 14 में भी 5 एंड हाफ मार्क्स मिला है और बाकी सब में मुझे फुल आउट ऑफ फुल मार्क्स मिले हैं. तो टोटल मेरा 9 नंबर कट गया है, इसलिए 71 आया है. This is the question paper of SST and I got 80 out of 80 in SST. And guys, in my next video, once my all paper are distributed, I will calculate my percentage and share it with you all. Now back to my studies. I am currently studying the chapter Electricity in Physics. For this, I am using Physics Wala channel, which I think is the best channel for understanding concepts. I focused on understanding the basics first and I think then I will be practicing numericals and questions. So I was taking notes while watching the lecture and in between my mom prepared some tea. So I took a break enjoying it while watching few YouTube shorts. After that, I got back to studying. So the length of this session was 3 hours and I completed it in that time by watching the lecture at 1.5x speed. Sometimes I got distracted a little bit, but I managed to get back on track. Then I went to fill up my water bottle. Whenever I sit down to study, I always keep a bottle of water in front of me so I don't have to get up repeatedly. So let me share what I studied in English. So in English, I was going through the chapter Glimpses of India and I studied this chapter from the YouTube by Magnet Brains, obviously by Chandni Dinani ma'am. And I was studying this chapter because we are covering it in a school, so I decided to complete it in advance. That way when we study in class, it will be easier for me. While watching the lectures, I highlighted some of the important points like how bakers were called badder in Goa, along with some keywords and meaning of the difficult words. I believe these highlights will help me to recall the information during my exam time. After that, I have also planned to write down some important questions in my notebook in the next day. As you all know that this chapter consists of 3 parts, the baker from Goa, Coorg and the tea from Assam. So today I focused only on the explanation part and I really enjoyed that process. After that, I finished some homework that I have to submit tomorrow, including my physics assignment. Once I completed that, I had my dinner and that's how my day went. Since it's Navratri, I want to wish all of you a very happy Navratri from my side. Someone asked me which channel I use to study Hindi, so I use Hindi Adhyapak channel as well as Magnet Brains. I also received a comment asking where to practice previous year questions. So if you search for PYQ of any chapter on YouTube, you will find a lot of videos. I practice from those too. Before you go, I just wanted to say a big thank you for helping me reach 500 subscribers. Your support means a lot and I truly appreciate each one of you. Let's keep going and make it to 1K soon. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit that button. Thank you for being the part of this journey and thanks for watching.